Hear him. He's coming. Where is he? He should be over there. That's where I hear the noise. Oh, he's got to be a loud one because I can't even see him yet. Oh, there he is. Oh, way off. Up there. See him? That's why I didn't see him. He was way far away. He's going into the sun. Holy chitskinsies. Right across my yard. They're looking for me, man. I'm telling you. Those boys are looking for me. I'm over here. I'm over here. If you guys ain't noticed me yet, I don't know what's going on with you guys, but I'm right here. Clowns. Oh, my grass needs to be mowed. It's the middle of April, or almost the middle of April, and it's green. I should be able to mow it. I should change my oil today. Maybe I'll do that. But yeah, it looks like it needs to be mowed already. What do you think, peoples? Huh? What do you think? Huh? 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 Ooh, let's take out the recycle over here. Yeah, the recycle bin is stuffed today. Threw out all kinds of trash from my basement the other day. And as you can see, I can't close the cover. See that? So, I'm going to take this baby down to the street right now. So when that guy comes by here, because I'm outside already, look at that, it says on the top, no hot ashes. You kidding me? Oh, fuck would put hot ashes in a plastic container with recycled paper in it. Might as well say, no fire in this bin, please. Alright, my wife took the cat to get shaved. Well, she left about maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes ago. And she'll be back pretty soon. Hope she stops and gets me breakfast, because I don't have any milk to, oh yeah, it's already warm. It's cool, but it's nice out. Yeah, I don't have any milk for cereal. Is that Jeromeo? That's Jeromeo. I may be mowing his lawn next year, or this year I should say. I won't say nothing because he won't respond. I just say, hi Gary, yeah. Alright, so I'm outside and it's, ooh, come on guy, I'm supposed to have a guy come over the house between 11 and 2. There he is again. That same guy who's always, when the sun is out, comes to bother me. Yeah, look at him. Walking right along with me, mimicking me. Like he might be my shadow or something. Yeah, I have no shadow. My name is the Devil.